With Schema, you get a fast, reliable way to create and manage your reusable design catalogs. Morphing supports families and nested model groups. All data stays intact when exporting morphed units back to Revit. Schema supercharges your existing workflows. When exporting projects to Revit, preview and sync only the data you want, and always work with the latest version of your model. You can now bring Schema's analytical model directly into Rhino via Grasshopper. Use it for parametric facade and design workflows, and for environmental analysis with tools like Cyclops. You can now build custom web apps using Grasshopper and ShapeDiver. With Schema as your data-rich engine, you can scale your computational design scripts and expertise across your entire firm.